Facebook is dying. And this guy, Mark Zuckerberg, might be leaving Facebook, allegedly. You see, every company, and as a matter of fact, everything you do in your life goes through cycle. And this can be easily explained with something called S-curve, also known as Sigmoid Function. As you can see in this chart here, when company grows, they usually start off with low revenue. But over time, as they invest in company and people, they see exponential growth and are able to scale the business. But there comes a time when they have reached the mature state of the company and they don't see any more growth in revenue. And this is exactly what has been happening at Facebook. As per the recent quarterly earnings report, analysts saw a 4.47% drop in their revenue and 52% drop in their net income compared to last year. They also say Facebook's revenue has started to enter into revenue recession. So basically, Facebook growth as a company has reached an inflection point where they have two options: to keep what they are doing and try to survive, which is going to be difficult as Apple has locked down their devices to provide any information on users to serve better ads on Facebook and Instagram. And the second option was to take a difficult route by innovating a new platform, which is a huge risk and needs a massive investment. And this is exactly what Facebook has been doing for the last 1 year with Metaverse. And Mark has been betting a lot of money on developing Metaverse. As per the last earning, he has already invested or lost over $9 billion just this year developing Metaverse. And he is not going to stop, because